What's next after starting your food plan? Avoid injuries and burnout by progressing slow. Commit to short, manageable goals, such as maybe taking daily walks or adding vegetables to your diet, right? Um, Use habit stacking, like pairing new habits with existing routines. And then track small victory increase, um, so you can reach your goals. But don't overdo it, you guys, and don't try to max out. Um, you know, you can for fun, you can mix it up. You can do yoga, you can do some high intensity interval training, or maybe cycling or something. You know, why not mix it up, right? Make it more fun, right? Like I like to go shoot basketball. Um, and then, you can use a fitness tracker also. Just make sure you reassess and adjust regularly, okay? Track your progress on strength, endurance, and flexibility. Evaluate your diet, to ensure you're meeting, your needs as you evolve, because you might need some more supplements here and there. And then, just update your routines and your supplements, right? Based on the progress and your goals. So follow-ups with trainers or nutritional consultants. So every 3 to 6 months, right? And then you can join supportive communities, or hire a coach, and use online forums, for um, tips and other information and inspiration. Just begin small, you guys. Don't overdo it. Make sure it's sustainable habits, right? Make sure you're addressing any deficiencies, right? And then make sure you're also refining and gradually increasing, or just making sure, with as far as the food goes and the fitness, right? Because you got both you're dealing with now. So, and then make sure you guys stay consistent and reward yourself for your progress. All right. So have a good day. Hopefully, you guys are doing great on your blueprint for weight loss and exercise success, or whatever plan you're doing. Yeah. So have a great day.